Transferring money from one Greendot to another Greendot is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Access your Greendot account either through the Greendot mobile app or the Greendot website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the app or website where you can initiate transfers or send money. Enter the recipient's Greendot account details. This typically involves providing the recipient's Greendot card number or email address associated with their Greendot account. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer to the other Greendot account. Double-check the transfer details, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm the transfer. The transfer may take a short time to process. Typically, transfers between Greendot accounts are instant or take only a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation to the Greendot app or website. The recipient should also see the transferred funds reflected in their Greendot account balance.